Namaste to all. Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati ji, he writes, Vidwan Manushya, a person who is a Vidwan, who has Vivek and who has knowledge of the Vedas and who is trying to walk the path of the Vedas, what they must do, Sadaiva Parameshwar or Dharma Yukta Purusharat ke Ashraya. They must always take the shelter of Sadaiva Paramatma. Sadaiva means Hamesha, always. They must take the shelter of Paramatma and they must do Purusharat, hardest work by following, by adopting Dharma in their life. And then by doing this, they must understand Rigved. They must understand Rigved, thereby they are able to understand Gun or Guni. Guni means a substance, Guna means attribute. Understanding the knowledge of substances, knowledge of the matters in this universe and their attributes and their qualities, they can understand by studying Rigveda. And when you study Rigveda by book, you might not understand. So you must go to an Acharya who knows Rigveda to understand what is the purpose or what is the purpose of each and every matter that is created by Paramatma in this world. Guna or Guni ko ठीक ठीक जानकर understand यथार्थ ज्ञान, understand the purpose of our human body from Acharya, understand the purpose of each and every indriya from the Acharya, and plants, animals, trees, etc., etc., understand the purpose of the creation. Each and every substance we must understand Guna or Guni. The matter also we must understand by, and Guni means matter and Guna means attribute. We must understand everything, then we must utilize them. Samprayog se, उसके संप्रयोग से पुरुषार्थ की सिद्धि के लिए अति उत्तम क्रियाओं से युक्त होना चाहिए. संप्रयोग means by best utilizing the substance of this universe. Maharishi writes in the Yajurveda Bhashya, he says, do Purusharth ki siddhi ke liye. What is Purusharth means here? Purusharth means the final aim of human life. For attaining the final aim of human life, you must understand the substance of the universe and you must utilize it properly, and then thereby you must do Ati Uttam Kriyaon se yukt hona chahiye. Ati Uttam Kriya means all the karmas which are mentioned in the Vedas are Ati Uttam karmas. Supreme karma, supreme deed, which is called as yajna. So we must do yajna, we must worship Paramatma, we must do all the karmas and we must do Parapakari. All these are called as Ati Uttam Kriya, जिससे परमेश्वर की कृपा पूर्वक सब मनुष्यों को सुख और ऐश्वर्य की वृद्धि होता है. So by adopting this formula in our life, Maharishi says, जिससे परमात्मा की कृपा, we will get the kripa of Paramatma, thereby all the human beings, whoever is adopting this process, this formula in their life, they will get sukh and aishwarya. They will not have any problem in their life. They will get bliss in their life. Why? Because they understand the creation. They understand the purpose of creation. They understand the... Sorry, it's quite noisy here. They understand the gun and guni, substance and quality, and thereby they are able to utilize them properly. They will not misuse the human body. They will not misuse anything which is given by Paramatma. They understand that this is Paramatma's property, not my property. So I should not misuse it. So thereby sukh, you can attain sukh in your life. This is a secret formula mentioned by Paramatma, and Maharishi has written in Yajurveda Bhashya. First mantra. And further Maharishi writes, सब लोगों को चाहिए कि अच्छे अच्छे कामों से प्रजा की रक्षा तथा उत्तम उत्तम गुणों से पुत्र आदि की शिक्षा सदैव करें. So we must give uttam shiksha to our younger generation. We must give utmost supreme shiksha, Vedic shiksha to our younger generation, and सब लोगों को चाहिए कि अच्छे अच्छे कामों से प्रजा की रक्षा. We must do those deeds which will protect our nation. And also we must give education to the Vedic education to the younger generation. Thereby what happens? जिससे प्रबल रोग विघ्न और चोरों का अभाव हो जाता है. जिससे प्रबल रोग, when you educate and when you do purusharth to take care of your nation, when the ministers and Raja is taking, and the Supreme Court, for example, they have taken like a recent issue that Aravalli Hills Range. Supreme Court has given some decision. I don't want to comment. They will attack my YouTube channel. So I don't want to comment on Supreme Court decision. But you see, is it giving benefit to the public or not? Paramatma says, अच्छे काम करो. Government has to do good work to protect the country. We should not take such a decision to destroy our country. But that's what is unfortunately happening everywhere today, including in our country, all over the world, because of lack of knowledge of the Vedas. So Paramatma says, sorry, I forgot my specs. It's not properly visible. I was thinking why it's not visible. So here, जिससे प्रबल रोग विघ्न, what will happen then? रोग नहीं आएंगे, प्रबल रोग, and this contagious diseases will not come, and vighna will not come. Vighna means the obstacles will be destroyed because of Paramatma's kripa and choron ka abhav hokar. Why they have given this Aravalli thing? Because they want to invite minings or whatever it is. They might have some plans, right? Constructions, this, that. So they are doing chori of our natural resources. They will do chori. Already they are doing illegally. Now they will be legally doing chori of. So choron ka abhav, when chor can be finished by when the Raja and Praja both follow Vedas. So choron ka abhav hokar. So that's why my Acharya always says, never give vote to such a person who does not know Vedas. Unfortunately, neither Modi ji knows Vedas nor the Congress knows Vedas. Neither, of course, at 1% Modi ji is better for sure. Of course, he is not a Vedic scholar, but at least he has little bit of, let's say, better affinity towards the Sanatan Dharma. So that's a better thing. But if he becomes a Vedic scholar, imagine how the country will become. The country will become Swarga. There won't be any unhappiness in this world, in this country. There won't be any problem, miseries, pain, sufferings. भूखमरी नहीं होगा. So यहाँ पर, so that's what Paramatma says, प्रबल रोग विघ्न और चोरों का अभाव हो जाएगा, जिस होकर प्रजा और पुत्र आदि सब सुखों को प्राप्त हों. यही श्रेष्ठ काम सब सुख की खान है. This is a श्रेष्ठ काम we must do. Protecting the nation, giving the education to the younger generation. The problem today is our generation, like I'm 45, 46. This generation also does not know Vedas. My parent generation also does not know Vedas. My next generation also does not know Vedas. So where there is a sukh, everywhere there is only selfishness. Everywhere there is only illegal things. They are trying to do illegal activity into legal things. See, this is the criminal mind. Something illegal is happening, so pass a bill and make it legal. Legal or illegal is not the question. Dharma or adharma is the question. If a Vedic scholar is ruling the country, he will not see legal or illegal. He will see dharma or adharma. There is a mountain of difference, or let's say difference between the earth and the sky. Legal, illegal and dharma, adharma, that difference is huge. Legal thing can be adharma. Understand that. A legal thing can be adharma. Because it's man-made constitution, man-made rules, man-made court is also the head of any court is a human being. The person who has written the constitution is a human being. They don't follow the constitution of the universe of Paramatma, which is Vedas, right? So that we must understand. So, सुखों का खान इसमें है, वेद में है. So then महर्षि writes, हे मनुष्य लोगों, आओ हम सब मिलके जिसने इस संसार में आश्चर्य रूप पदार्थ रचे हैं. One who has created this magnanimous, magnificent, wonderful, let's say miraculous this creation. One who has created this universe. Let us all join hands together. उस जगदीश्वर के लिए सदैव धन्यवाद देवें. Let us give धन्यवाद to the Paramatma. Today morning I was listening to one Acharya ji from Arya Samaj. Very beautiful point he was telling. That a yogi when he is in tapasya, after attaining the stage of yogi, he is in 24 hours in Ishwar Pranidhan. So people like us, normal people like us, at least we can remember Paramatma sometimes, like when you are taking breath, you are now doing havan, and your श्वास अंदर चल रहा है, तो एक सेकंड परमात्मा को धन्यवाद दो. Because of Paramatma I am able to breathe. Paramatma has created the vayu, Paramatma has created the oxygen, Paramatma has created the system, thereby we can breathe and live life. We never do we are never thankful to Paramatma. So Maharishi writes, जिसने इस आश्चर्य रूप पदार्थ रचे हैं उस जगदीश्वर के लिए सदैव धन्यवाद देवें. See the wordings of a ऋषि मुनि. वही परम दयालु ईश्वर अपनी कृपा से उक्त कामों को करते हुए मनुष्यों के सदैव रक्षा करता है. There's only one protector of this whole world. That is Paramatma. That is Paramatma mentioned in the Vedas. No Allah, no Jesus, no Mahavir, no Buddha, nobody else who can protect. No Krishna, no Rama can protect the universe, can protect the public. It is only this Paramatma, and we must be thankful to that Paramatma for having created this universe and protecting us. And that Paramatma is Dayalu hai. That Paramatma apni kripa se wo kripa karta hai. When we accept Paramatma, when you accept Paramatma, Paramatma will also accept you. When you say get lost Paramatma, Paramatma also will say you get lost, right? But still he is giving you oxygen, still he is giving us food, still he is giving us water, still he is giving us everything. So we must be thankful to that Paramatma and fear that Paramatma. We must fear the Dharma. Legal fear is unimportant. Yeah, do things legally in your country, that's a different topic. But always do Dharma. Always, whether you are a Supreme Court judge or you are a Prime Minister of the India or you are President of India, we must all obey to Paramatma. And the ruler of the country has to be a Ved Vidwan. If the ruler of the country is a Ved Vidwan, then this Aravali problem, that problem, this problem, nothing will happen in our country. Everything will be proper and people will become dharmic. चोरों का अभाव हो जाता है, रोग नाश हो जाएगा, सुखी सुख बरसेगा. And these are all, this is the mantra, Om Ishetur Jetva ka bhavarth. See the bhavarth of the first mantra of Yajurveda. Om Ishetur Jetva Vayavasta Devo Vah Savita Prarpayatu Sreshtatamaya Karmana Apyaya Dhvamagnaya Indraya Bhagam Prajavati Ranamiva Ayakshmamavastena Ishatama Gashanso Dhruva Asmin Gopatau Syat Bahvir Jamanasya Pashun Pahi Swaha. So this is a very, very important where Paramatma says in this mantra, Vayavaha sta. Vayavaha means our indriya, our prana. The reason why I have given this indriya, the mind, the prana, the intellect, the man, buddhi, etc., etc. sta. क्यों दिया है? श्रेष्ठतमाय, श्रेष्ठ कर्म के लिए, चोरी करने के लिए नहीं है, अधर्म करने के लिए नहीं है. He has given this body for doing श्रेष्ठ कर्म. Whether we are a praja or a raja, we must do श्रेष्ठ karma, and that will give prasannata to Paramatma. Thereby he will shower his blessings on us. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.